When you're running a farm, the idea of adding one more process might feel overwhelming. But getting certified regenerative by A Greener World is designed to be clear, supportive, and practical. And once you're certified, you have independent proof of your regenerative practices, building trust with buyers and customers and helping you stand out in the growing regenerative market. Let's walk through what you can expect so you feel prepared every step of the way. Everything starts with the standards. It's important to set aside time to read through them and get familiar with what applies to your business. They may look long at first, but the standards are packed with built in support, including examples, guidance, and practical notes to help you understand what's relevant. And if anything is unclear, you're not on your own. We're always here to help. We'd rather answer questions before you apply than have to send back an application because something is missing. When you're ready, it's time to submit your application and application fee. You can do this online, or you can send in your completed application by mail. If you prefer a paper form, just get in touch. Once we receive your application, we'll take a look and send you a list of next steps in the certification process, and we'll also be in touch to schedule an optional introductory call. The certification process generally takes about 12 weeks to complete from the time of application. This timeline can vary depending on your communication with the program, so please be sure to respond as quickly as possible. Your regenerative plan comes next and sits at the heart of your certification journey. Our free template will help bring together all the information you need in a clear, concise, and uniform way. It's designed to streamline the process, helping you identify current practices along with future goals and the steps you'll take to reach them. Are you looking for resources? Check AGW's website where you'll see examples of completed regenerative plans that will help show what we're looking for in regard to the type of the information, level of detail, and evidence. And again, reach out if you have questions. We're happy to talk it through. After you send in your regenerative plan, we'll review it carefully. We might ask for a few adjustments, and once everything looks good, we'll pass it along to our compliance team to confirm that you're ready for audit. After your regenerative plan is reviewed and your audit fees are paid, an auditor will reach out to schedule your farm audit at a time that works for you. On audit day, the visit is straightforward. The auditor simply checks that what's on your farm matches your application and regenerative plan, and your practices meet our standards. They may also ask to see specific business records or testing sites or any other aspect of your regenerative plan. Before the audit concludes, the auditor will let you know if they have noted any practices or records that are not yet compliant with our standards. Don't worry, this is not a pass or fail process. And after the audit, we'll send you a compliance form. This outlines any corrective actions you need to take to comply with the standards. Just fill it out with the changes you'll make and send it back along with any supporting information. Again, the sooner you can get the information back to us, the quicker we can process your application. And once everything meets the program requirements, congratulations! You'll receive a short contract to sign, which will allow use of the Certified Regenerative by AGW logo. Once the contract is signed, your certificate will be issued and you can start using the Certified Regenerative by AGW logo on your products. Our marketing team will reach out next to help you make the most of your new certification, including media support through a press release if you wish, as well as labeling and ongoing marketing support. We look forward to welcoming you to the AGW family and building a greener world together.